How you doing? Welcome to Full Compass. My name's Tom Griffin with Yamaha, and I'm here today to talk about the DTX950K. The DTX950K is a 6-piece electronic drum set that is at the top of the line in the DTX series of drums. Several years ago, we recruited our acoustic drum artists to help us develop a new playing surface for electronic drums. The result was the DTX pad. The DTX pad features a textured cellular silicone head that has different tensions between the snare and the toms, so it feels natural when you play it. The DTX pads of the 950K come in two sizes, 12-inch snare and 12-inch floor toms, and then two 10-inch rack toms. Each of the pads features 3 zones, so I can play the head, a rim shot, and a cross stick on my snare, and I get head, stick hoop, and rim shot for the toms. They also feature a real-time control knob, which makes it really easy to dial in the sound that you want. For example, if I want to tighten my snare, I can just tighten those wires, the virtual snares, and then loosen it. And now it's a throw-off, where it changes all 3 voices of my snare. On the toms, it does tuning. Never been easier to tune your drums to the key of the song that you're playing. Very, very simple to operate. The cymbals of the DTX950K are also 3 zones each for the 2 crashes and the ride. You get the bell, the bow, and the edge. They're even chokeable for more expression. And a Yamaha exclusive feature is the muting capability. If I mute the edge of the cymbal, I can be very expressive with it. Now onto the hi-hat. The hi-hat is 2 zones for edge and bow in both the open and closed position. And it's pressure sensitive, so as I pinch the hi-hat with my foot, I can breathe life into the hi-hat and really express myself quite naturally the way I would on an acoustic drum set. The entire kit uses the hex rack as the rack system. The hex rack is a steel rack system with very versatile positioning. The ability to pivot and move any of the drums along the rack, super easy. A quick tighten of the wing bolt, and it's solid. The kick pad is 12 inches diameter, has a nice punchy feel, and is very sensitive. Now let me show you some sounds of the DTX900 module. The kit that I've been playing so far is the Oak Custom preset. Yamaha makes fine acoustic drums, and we proudly sample most all of our kits in here. So you have Oak Custom, Maple Custom, Birch Custom. We even have our Rick Marotta Hip Gig, legendary kits like the Steve Jordan Cocktail Set, and of course, Recording Custom. This is the sound of the Yamaha Birch Custom Absolute. It's a nice studio-focused sound. Maple Custom, very crisp, and a traditional wood used in drums for a long time, maple shells. Very natural to play. We even have the Beech Custom Absolute. You can also customize the sounds by importing your own samples. You can install 512 megabytes of memory in a DTX900, and the new DTX900M ships with the 512 megabytes installed. They load in via USB, and it's very easy. And you also have USB MIDI, which is super fast transmitting, so this makes an excellent VST controller for controlling your favorite drum software. The sounds of the DTX900 series are excellent when you want to play privately, or you can even use them in a live situation and for recording. They're very clean. You have also individual outs and a digital out available on the module. And I found that people are very surprised when I take this kit into clubs and set it up, and then they hear it. Some places think that there's a CD going on because the drum sound is so clean. They can't see the drummer because the club is packed, but they hear the sounds. And it's a way for me to know that my audience is getting the exact same sound that I'm hearing. You can customize the sounds, as I mentioned, by importing samples, but it's very easy to mix and match kits from any of the 50 presets and create 50 of your own. You can even use a USB stick to store another 1,584 kits. Very, very powerful system, beautiful looking kit, easy to play. The DTX900 also features practice songs for you to listen to, learn different styles of music, and it's very easy to drop out the drums and play along. Here's a tune called South Rock. I could play that. I press this button here and then I can back it up. You can even add your own new songs, and it has an auxiliary input if you want to play along with an MP3 player. For more information on the DTX950K, contact fullcompass.com or your sales associate. I'm Tom Griffin from Yamaha. Thanks for listening.